Hello, beloved friends. I'm Reverend Kyra, and it is an honor and a privilege to be with you today as we head into this time of Thanksgiving and to acknowledge this moment of gratitude and our hearts overflowing with gratitude for the many, many blessings of our lives. I want to invite us to take those feelings of gratitude and that sense of blessing that we've received, so many blessings in our lives, and to send it forward, to allow that to fuel us to send those blessings out into the world. Be the gift of giving the blessings into the world to others. And so as you do that, I invite you to just really just gentle yourself into this moment and breathe into it and send those blessings in ways that send them, stream them forth out into all of the universe, all of the world, to the people in your lives. And say thank you. Thank you for the gift of allowing me to be a part of this flow of blessings. I also want to invite us as we head into this Sunday, we begin our Advent season. This is Advent. This is the preparation for the birthing of the Christ. And we bring forth in that preparation the advent of hope and faith this Sunday. We recognize that when we begin with a hope and a faith that then anchors that we will bring forth into the world a whole new way of being and a whole new way of holding the preciousness of that which is birthing forth from within us. We recognize this is the time of celebrating the birth of Jesus and the birth of the Christ consciousness in each one of us. And so as we open ourselves to that, we will understand how that journey plays out in the characters of our Bible story. Where do we live with the purity of heart that Mary shared? Where do we father the Christ principle in ourselves? And let us do that with joy and celebration of the season, of honoring that. This Sunday, we're having our Jazz Sunday. We have a 7-piece jazz group that will be sharing the merry and bright Christmas season with us and helping bring the poignancy of this time to light with joy and harmony in our soul. So come share the depth and the lightheartedness of the holidays. Begin with the blessings that you receive and the blessings you give. And then join us this Sunday at 10:30 a.m. at Unity Bay Area, Houston. We'll have our Sunday celebration service. We have youth ministry at that time, and love to have you come share with us in person, where we can hug or shake hands or celebrate with each other. But we also would love to have you join us on Facebook live stream if you can't join us in person. We begin at 10:30 on Facebook on our Unity Bay Area Houston site. So we'll see you one way or another, and either way, let your heart be light. Let it be purified in these times. Let hope and faith spark you to a deeper experience of the Christ birth than you have ever experienced before. Welcome to the Christmas season. God bless you, friends.